Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best throwing axes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GEDORE AX 18H1206 throwing axe. It is a good balance axe and exactly made for attending in a competition. The head is forged and perfectly polished for better performance. Stainless steel is used for a good quality axe. A quality full hickory handle is attached with the head, making them the more durable axe. The 3X wedging form provides a long-lasting handle to ensure the security of use. A perfect leather sheath for the heavy sharpened blade is used. It makes it easier and safer to carry off an axe. A special wood treatment provides a good-looking axe. On at number 4, we have the SOG Tomahawk pack of 3 throwing axe set. The Tomahawk axe is different from flimsy axes, but it is built as a sharp, long-lasting, and outdoor axe set. The axe is designed by making it well-balanced for freshers with a comfortable grip. This 8.4 ounces throwing axes have detachable handles with cord wrapping for a suitable grip. Ballistic nylon is used for 3-pocket throwing hatchet sheath to secure each Tomahawk throwing axe placed within the sheath with Velcro straps. At number 3, we have the Smith & Wesson 8 inches throwing knives and 10 inches axes combo. It is a well-balanced design axe and knives combo set, and the axes featuring 3 sharpened edges for flat throwing. It is a perfect throwing axe for both beginners and skilled persons. They are built as lightweight and convenient to carry. A nylon sheath is used for security and a good arrangement of knives and axes, while storage and transportation are required. It is often used for the opening of a bottle during an event. At number 2, we have the Estwing Special Edition Fireside Friend Axe. These are 14.25 long, and wood-splitting mauls are made to work fast and smooth. It has a razor-sharpened blade. The axe is super lightweight, but the hatchet is an excellent save tool. The axe has a non-reflective matte black finish color blade polish for more durability. It has a tempered 2-3/8 leading edge for precise cutting, a requirement for all campers and outdoorsmen alike. Estwing axes are proudly forged within the USA using the best American steel. For secure storage and carry, a ballistic nylon sheath is used. And finally at number 1, we have the 10 Tactical Survival Combat Throwing Axe. Tactical survival axes are versatile tools that are used for multiple outdoor tasks. It is the best tool used as a self-defense and also for house chores. A sharpened stainless steel blade is used for making a high-quality throwing axe. The ergonomic handle uses more carbon-contained steel with a paracord wrap. This wrapped handle provides a long grip for extra comfort and handling. This axe provides a perfect center of balance for increased swing and good working condition. It can be considered as a pocket knife and ideal for chopping wood and an enjoyable adventure. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.